Welcome to another episode of Storm Chasers.
Storm Chasers is sponsored by Degree for Men.
If you don't believe me, just talk to some of our top clients.
What's up, guys?
I like him because he smells so fresh.
This is our weatherman, Verde. As you can see, the cold fronts coming down from Canada south across the United States. It's just snowflakes over in Michigan over here. The winds are very fierce, and the temperature drops significantly down to negative temperatures. And it's like frozen.
There's a warm front coming up from Mexico that'll relieve the blizzard in a few days.
It's fine.
For snow to fall to the ground, the temperature must be cold both up in the clouds where snowflakes form and down at ground level. If the air near ground level is too warm, as you can see it's not too warm, the snow will melt on its way down, changing to rain or freezing rain.
Give a little shake of the hair.
There's a warm front coming in from the Caribbean.
A warning sign of blizzards is strong winds and cold temperatures. That's it.
In the cold temperatures of a blizzard, it's really nice to layer up, put on as much as you can. And then to protect yourself, to go inside, you keep your temperatures the same as you would.
Let's go. We got like 5 minutes. Alright, when he says Mr. Fritzel, I'm gonna go, hey guys, I'm Mr. Fritzel.
And then it's good to keep on a scarf or something, you know. Keep your face warm, because you don't want to get frostbite on your face. And that's it.
One time I was in a blizzard on the way home from Indiana, and we saw 5 semi-trucks on the side of the road flipped over, and it was whiteout conditions. You couldn't see anything.
Flipped over?
But my dad's a really good driver, so we made it. Yes, flipped over.
Liar.
True.
Hi, thanks for watching Storm Chasers. We brought you all your blizzard facts. Come back next week.
Jason Hermanowitz and Alex Verde.